Hey, g'day there. Ever heard the saying there's three sides to every story? Well, it's true in this case with the KickAss 3-in-1 flashlight kit. Not only do you get an awesome torch, you get a work light and you get a flexi light all in one. Let's check it out. You ripper. Okay, so let's talk about the torch first off. Now it's got your high and low setting, which is really cool. And you've got your zoom, so you can zoom in and out and focus on whatever you want to, which is really cool. Now, one awesome feature as well, it has a magnetic base, which comes really handy, especially with the work light. But how cool is that? You ripper. So the amazing thing with the 3-in-1 is our quick connect system. So check this out. I'm going to pull this collar down and look at that. I've pulled the head off the torch. Now the beauty about this is now we can interchange it with the other heads. So I'm going to whack on the work light and let's check it out. You beauty. So there we have the work light. Now that's the brighter side of the light at 350 lumens. It's going to light up your whole workspace. Now the adjustments are really cool. It's got multiple amounts of adjustments and your two brightnesses as well. I won't blind you with that. So there's your work light. How cool is that? Right, so I'll pull the collar off. Last but not least, we have our little flexi light. Now, how cool is that? You can put that wherever you want. It's more flexible than plastic, man, and that's saying something. At 190 lumens, it's nothing to sneeze at either. Also has your little adjustable zoom, so you can zoom in and out with the light to light up your workspace. You beauty. Alrighty, enough said. It's hard to show a torch off under lights, so let's go check it out in action. Now, this is really cool because not only have you got the magnetic base to stick it anywhere and position it anywhere, as we can see here, it comes in so handy and the light is so cool. Now, I'm going to whack the flexi light in. Now, look at that. Now you've got a flexi light. I'll just turn this off. That you can put in any position. Now, this is really great if you want to pinpoint something. You can adjust the lens by pulling the zoom in and out, but that is really cool. Here's the torch from the 3-piece flashlight kit. It's absolutely sensational. As you can see, I can zoom in, use it as a spotlight, or I can zoom it out, so I've got much more of a floodlight. How cool is that? The KickAss flashlight kit. You ripper. And forget having to replace batteries with the fully rechargeable lithium battery via USB-C with the included cable. You beauty. And check this out. We've got a hard protective case that's all molded to keep your torch protected until you use it next. You ripper. Water resistant as well. So how many features can this little fella have? There we have it. The KickAss 3-in-1 torch, flexi light and work light, all interchangeable. Head online or head in store today. You ripper.